Its history.
The Internet started in the 1960s. The United States Department of Defense started it because they wanted a computer network to help the American military. In the 1970s, scientists worked on it and learned how to send messages between computers. Then, in the 1980s, telephone companies made it possible to communicate on the computer network in many more countries. An international computer language was born, and the net went worldwide.
Millions of uses.
You can use the Internet for millions of things. You can Google for information about anything and everything. You can buy and sell clothes and cars. You can book a hotel, a holiday, or tickets for the cinema. You can pay your bills. You can watch your favourite TV program. You can play chess with a partner in Moscow. You can chat to your friends and share photographs on Facebook. You can write a blog about your life. You can... The list is endless.